Have you heard of Ejido land? It's a Mexican concept commonly misunderstood or not known about by foreigners, so let's talk about it. The main reason I want to educate you on this is to protect you and help you avoid any legal issues. Ejido land in Mexico is a form of land ownership where the community collectively owns the land and members have rights to use specific plots of land but can't outright sell it. Understanding this concept is really important because it has very different rights than private property ownership. And in summary, you can't own Ejido land. Ejido land can be found through Baja California Sur and other popular tourist destinations in Mexico. Now, your realtor, your closing attorney, and your notary will notify you of any title issues in your transaction, but I believe you should still know about this if you're considering purchasing down here. Technically, there is a process where Ejido land can eventually become private property, but this is a very, very long process. First, the community needs to grant approval for the regularization process. Next, the government will need to give permissions to go through with this process. And finally, there's the regularization process at the end, which involves a lot of documentation, which can be very complex, take a long time, and is not guaranteed. It can be rejected throughout the process. Therefore, I advise you do not get your heart set on land that has a Ejido status or is in the regularization process because it's not guaranteed or it could take years. Simply look for land that is held via an escritura, which is title held by a Mexican national, or a fideicomiso, which is title held by a foreigner. A final caution to you, if you ever find your dream property on Ejido land and end up working out a lease agreement with the community or another agreement with the community, just know that that land will never be yours. No matter how much money you pay, no matter how much improvement you do to the property, unless you have an escritura or a fideicomiso, you have no claim to that property. Now, I don't want to deter you or scare you from purchasing in Cabo. I just want to give you tools to protect yourself. I'm a lawyer, so I understand complex issues like this, and I'm adamant that my clients find their dream houses with ease. So if you, your friends, or family are ready to purchase in Cabo, reach out to me and I can protect you every step of the way.